We still hustle daily. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Looks like we got a place and it's trashed. Stuff everywhere. Damn. It's a nice place though, huh? Look at the tub. Look at the shower. Real nice place. Okay, let's see what happened here. Welcome back to the channel. I appreciate y'all for tuning in and rock with me. Make sure y'all smash that like button. Y'all know I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Y'all could be anywhere else in the world, but y'all be here with me, and I appreciate y'all. Let's go ahead and get right into it. I ain't gonna keep y'all no longer. Here we go.
Story time about
Family full of lawyers and doctors, bitch. What you got? Never gave a okay, touch.
I had to suck a friend. So I'm gonna bring it to the day of the incident. That day was full of events. You know what I'm saying? She kind of had an attitude that morning because some influencer that messed with Nadia, he like stood her up the previous night. So that day she already had an attitude. She didn't want to come with us to get anything. She was like, I'm finna go here with my friends. Y'all can go do that, just throwing plans off. So we getting ready for that night or whatever, and we all look good. We all look good.
Okay, I see y'all.
I get in the car because one of the girls, Leon, she kept driving every night. So I was like, all right, I'm gonna drive. Girl, y'all get lit. So I made it clear when I touched in the driver's seat, I said, no one tell me how to drive because that's annoying. Don't want nobody in my ear. Make that clear. We got there.
I ain't gonna lie. That's why I don't be liking to drive with my parents. They be trying to tell me how to drive. Like, I'm the best driver in the world. I don't need help. You know what I'm talking about?
To the event we were supposed to go to, and it ended up not having nobody there, right? To backtrack, we were supposed to go to some event, but they had an influencer event. And I wanted to go, Jamie wanted to go, so we asked the girl, did she want to go? She literally was like, no. The dude, Nadia's ex, y'all figure it out, he called her and was like, where are you going tonight? He was like, I'm going here. And she was like, oh yeah, we're going to go too. You was just saying you didn't want to go. I'm peeping stuff. I'm like, okay, all right. A parking lot.
Hello, motherfucker.
And they had some dudes in the BMW. They rolled down the window. Kyla's like, oh, where y'all going? Y'all can get this for free. Y'all can get this a section. Y'all can do this and do that. And they going to this guy. So they're like, follow him. I'm like, I'm not finna be racing, but I'll put the GPS in. I'm not about to be racing with no dude. The dude had a BMW. I'm not doing that. We're getting there, and he bust the right at a gas station. Too fast for me to see. Kept going straight. You have arrived. We just need a park. Clearly, that's what they did.
Okay.
She's telling me, take a U-turn. I'm already checking to see because
we
there's 2 lanes going this way. Those other 2 lanes over here are clearly going this way. So I'm just peeping. I'm like, I didn't think I could do that. I'm trying to figure out with myself. And she's, take a U-turn, Ciara, take a U-turn. I said, Kyla, let me drive how I want to drive. She got an attitude with me. She got smart. And I got smart back. Kept provoking me. And that's when it got to Ciara, Kyla. And then that's when we started arguing, y'all. I told her be quiet.
Okay, that must be the little clip that we seen from inside the car.
All right, because she got smart with me. Boom, it was, that's why you got...
That's not cool, man. Can't be bringing up trauma that be happening to people, man, when y'all be getting in arguments. I can't stand y'all people like that. Tell y'all something. Soon as y'all get into an argument with the person, oh, y'all use it straight against them. Something tragic, too. Terrible. That's messed up, man.
That's why, literally, this is my friend, y'all. That's why you're not going to be anything. That's why you're stupid. That's why you're dumb. What do you have? I have a family full of lawyers and doctors. What do you have?
I heard that.
Happened after the video. Some streamers came up to the car.
You're weird. You're weird. Put that dick in her mouth. So
I got you. Come on.
Put that bitch out.
Oh.
Put that bitch out and put it in her mouth. She needed her throat so she can shut up.
She needed it in her throat?
She gay. She laughed at her doing.
All right, come on. We got to go, though. Y'all holding up traffic. Y'all, come on. Holy! She said she need that motherfucking hot dope. Ooh-wee!
So after those streamers was recording us, we was just arguing down, y'all. Like, it was bad. The girls was like, y'all need to stop arguing. Like, I'm over here on my foot on break. I'm arguing with the girl. I'm like, girl, this girl, you a bop. She over here saying, you broke, you never gonna make it. How my family is this, my family is that.
That's funny. She said she had to put on the brake. Goddamn. Hey, gotta be careful. You the driver, and you got somebody behind you can get your ass knocked out. Gotta be careful when y'all arguing with somebody. Damn, something just running my eye. Oh my god. Gotta be careful when y'all arguing with somebody who in behind y'all.
Mama stay in the trenches. Like I said, she said that's why she said that's why you're insecure, and that's why you got lip fillers, which you can't even really tell. She was saying so much, guys. I'll even insert the arguments.
You got fucked up. Niggas hit you up and you put that pussy on because you a weak bitch.
Name one.
You a weak bitch.
Name one.
Nigga, you drop pussy off like DoorDash, bitch. You're weak as fuck. What the fuck, kid?
Wait a minute, she's not the driver.
That pussy,
right. The thing is, God know my heart.
Look, I know your heart, but you be fucking every nigga.
She don't even know me.
But you be fucking every nigga, please.
Oh my god.
We on the interstate arguing. She keeps recording me, guys. I smacked the phone. I said, put it down. You assaulted me. She's assaulting me. She literally called 911. I'm getting assaulted. Mind you, they're like, hang up the phone. Why are you calling the police? You're losing your mind. We're all underage. We're all drinking, and you got weed in your car, baby. It's up the phone with the cops. She's like, that's all you have to offer is hands. Yes, Kyla, because you know what I would do to you. Stop playing with me. Stop poking at me. So I had no choice but to spaz. I tried so hard with the girl. She kept recording me. I hit it again. She kept recording me. I hit it again. She kept recording me. I hit it again. I didn't even touch.
Dang, well, the other girl don't want to fight. Because you hit my phone out my hand one time. As soon as the phone get hit out my hand, I'm hitting you in the mouth.
Her. She didn't touch me. I'm getting assaulted. Stop. She's hitting me. She snatches Jamie's phone because Jamie starts recording. That's where all the clips are from. Give me that back. Don't touch her phone. And then my friend's like, Kyla, you know what I would do to you. You please, that to you. You're my friend. You was my friend. Don't want to do it to you. They ended up parking because he got so bad. We over here making beats like, she's a pop. She's a pop. Well, I'm making a beat. I'm like, she's a pop. She's a pop. She's a pop. She's a pop. She needs some dick. She needs some dick. She needs some dick. And I rolled down the one. I was like, hey, y'all, like, give her some dick. She's thirsty. She wants some dick. Feed her.
Oh, that was her in the front seat.
Keep recording me. This time I snatched the phone. She goes insane. She goes wild, guys. She kicks everybody. Here's all the bruises and everything.
Dang.
She makes a mess in the car. She damages the rental car.
Dang.
She kicks us with her heels. They're taking hits
out
for me because she's in the back kicking towards me. That's when I'm taking pictures with her phone. I'm like, I put my shades on so I can't see y'all.
Oh,
like, I'm holding her phone, y'all. And her mama called. I say, you need to get your daughter. And she ends up getting close to my face, and you just kicked me because I ain't know.
Oh, shit.
I didn't want to do that to Kyla. After that, she goes crazy. And no, it wasn't a 3v1 type situation. Somebody triple teamed her. They didn't even take my side in the moment. They was on, y'all need to stop side. That's what happened. She got punched. After that, she got out the car. She smashed bottles. Her mama, I guess, wanted her to take her own way. She already brought her own car, y'all. That'll answer y'all question. She bought her own car. That worked out for her. Her mama wanted her to drive to the trip anyways. And I rode with her to the trip because I didn't want her to go by herself, drive by herself. And yeah, it worked out for her.
All right. It's such a shame when friends hang out and they get into it, isn't it? Such a shame. But y'all know, that's why I just be sticking to myself. That's why I be over here cooling it. You know what I'm talking about? No drama over here. Just chilling. But it's unfortunate. You know, hopefully them girls can make up. If not, I don't know. When hands are thrown, I pretty much think a friendship is over. I've personally never had a fist fight with any of my friends. I think for girls, y'all, that might be a little bit more common for y'all. Y'all might have to just get one off y'all chest and then y'all could probably be cool again. But nah, me personally, if I ever throw bowls with you, ever got physical, I can't fuck with you. That's just me though. That's just me. But y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments below. And yeah, you know. Holy. But I do think that when you be bringing up like stuff that, you know, you can't tell nobody nothing these days. You know, bring up something that happened to you or that happened in your life, motherfuckers want to use it against you. So I appreciate y'all. Make sure y'all smash that like button. Let me know what y'all think about the story in the comments below. I'm out. Peace.